There we go, folks.
There we go, folks.
So they did a really good job. You know, standard white pickup truck. All right, folks, I got something special for you today. I'm bringing in my truck here. This is my truck that I use for my business and my personal. So today I'm bringing it to somewhere special. Check this out. First class vinyl here in New Jersey. I'm going to do a little work to it. I'm not going to tell you exactly what I'm doing, but you'll find out. So this is what it looks like right now. I'll give you a quick walk around here. You know, standard white pickup truck. It's a Ram 2500. So I've had it for about 3 years now. I finally got around to pulling the trigger on doing something that's really gonna be a good investment for my business and be able to help more people. So that's what she looks like now. Stay tuned. And I'll show you the reveal once she's done, which will be any second for you guys, and for me, a few days. So there we go, guys. I love this truck. It's a really good running, good riding Ram 2500. Only downside is when we're going to do this work, I'm going to be removing the you know, the badges there, the Cummins badge. I ran 2500, but hey, part of it, and I might be removing the badge on the rear of tailgate here. That way we have some more real estate, but that's what we got. Stay tuned. This is the place I'm going to. This is first class vinyl here in Manalapan, New Jersey. Really nice place here. They do real nice stuff, really good photos on the website. First time we worked with it, but so far the customer service has been very good. So should be fine, and get this bad boy done. Here we go. Well, here I am. I just pulled up. Truck is done. Yes, sir. Look at this bad boy. Oh! That is awesome. That is awesome. Man. Here we go. Yes, sir. Oh, that looks good. That looks friggin' good. Got the whole roof done as well, so we'll get a shot of that. So there we go. This doesn't show you that I'm serious about what I do in my business. I don't know what will, but there we go, folks. I'll see you guys around town, you know, when I'm there. Again, this is all done by First Class Vinyl here in Manalapan, New Jersey. So they did a really good job. Now I'm on to my next project. Now that I got the truck back, here we go. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'd love to share it with you guys. So see you on the next one.